at Thunderbird Resort and Casino, Binangonan, Rizal. Rotary Club of Rizal Premier welcomes you to the 6th handover and the 7 induction ceremonies.
Has been one of the meaningful journeys of my life, and it taught me that leadership is not about titles or recognition, but about service that transforms lives. Witnessing smiles from those we have helped reminded me that Rotary is about people helping people.
I, Alin Joy Cabarles, do hereby hand over this bell and gavel to you.
I, Veronica E. Atienza, humbly and honorably accept this bell and gavel, the symbol of authority and stewardship, as I assume the role of the President of the Rotary Club of Rizal Premier.
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Rizal Premier. This Rotary year bring you fulfillment, unity, and meaningful change in your communities you serve. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang Rotary Club of Rizal Premier.
My fellow Rotarians, your fellowship, and your shared desire to make a difference. May our work reflect the light of Christ and remind the world that love in action, service above self, as the most powerful force for good. God bless us all and God bless Rotary. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.